Eastern Hendricks County, southwestern Boone County, southeastern Montgomery County, northeastern Putnam County, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fricksville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorm will be near Flanagan around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Roachdale and New Ross around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Jamestown, North Salem, and Liston. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 50 and 64. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: